Today, I'm going to teach you how to use conversations in Smartsheet. This feature is incredibly useful for team collaboration, allowing you to add comments, tag teammates, and keep all your project discussions organized right where the work happens. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll see your workspace with all your available sheets. Take a moment to choose the sheet where you want to add or view conversations. This could be any existing file you're currently working on, so go ahead and click on it to open it up. Now, before you start adding conversations, make sure you're viewing your sheet in grid view. This is the default view that displays your data in rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet. Once you've confirmed you're in grid view, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here, you'll find the conversations icon. It typically looks like a speech bubble or comment symbol. Click on this icon to open the conversations panel. This panel is where all the magic happens when it comes to team communication within your sheet. After opening the Conversations panel, you'll notice that Smartsheet gives you several options for where to add your conversations. You can add comments to a specific row, to the entire sheet, or view all conversations at once. This flexibility is really helpful because it lets you keep discussions context-specific or sheet-wide depending on your needs. For this example, let's try adding a conversation to a specific row. Start by selecting the row you want to comment on. Simply click on the row number on the left side of your sheet to highlight it. Once your row is selected, return to the Conversations panel on the right side. You'll see a text box where you can type your comment. Go ahead and type whatever message or note you want to share with your team members. Now here's a powerful feature. If you want to notify specific people about your comment, you can tag them directly. To do this, type the @ symbol followed by their name or Gmail address. As you start typing, Smartsheet will suggest contacts from your organization, making it easy to select the right person. This ensures they receive a notification about your comment and can respond promptly. Once you've finished typing your comment and tagged anyone who needs to see it, look for the send icon, which is usually located at the bottom or side of the comment box. Click on it to post your conversation. Your comment will now appear in the Conversations panel, and anyone you tagged will receive a notification. And there you have it. You've successfully added a conversation in Smartsheet, keeping your team communication organized and directly tied to your work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.